Welcome to Crown Holdings Limited, an industrial hub of several joint ventures with Chinese experts operating in Pakistan with state-of-the-art technology and equipment. Crown Holdings manifests the stance of producing quality engineering and automotive parts for leading brands in Pakistan. Built across a land covering 26 acres, in the heart of Port Qasim Automotive Zone, Karachi, this enormous infrastructure is designed for continuous development and production cycles with the aim to localize 100% quality parts with proper and dedicated residential blocks for the workers and engineers. The trade from Crown Holdings extends to international means with countries namely Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Iran. Qasim Engineering Works, a joint venture plant dealing in assembling and manufacturing clutch assembly, magnet plates, sprocket panels, wheel drum, oil pump and chain sprockets. Qasim Engineering was established in 2016, which has a production capacity of 50,000 distinguished sets per month on single-shift basis. The products are produced with 100% pure ADC-12, a metal made of an optimal composition of silicon and zinc, procured from Crown Sigma, unlike other manufacturers which favor recycled ADC-12. Gold Engineering Works, a market leader specializing in brake and clutch levers assembly for over 15 years in China, inaugurated its venture with Crown Holdings in 2017. Its production capacity of each distinguished unit averages to 80,000 plus sets per month based on a single shift. 3 Gold Engineering Works have invested their specialized expertise with the support of Crown Holdings with peculiar machinery to produce high-quality die-casted brake and clutch levers with specific CNC and pressing machines. Yushi Motors Pakistan, Private, Limited. A dedicated plant focusing on production of brake shoe for motorcycles with varied displacements such as 70cc, 100cc and 125cc. Owing to the intricacies involved in brake leather, controlled heating, washing, and final fitment, the inspection of finished products is what makes products from this plant remarkable and a valuable contributor in automotive industry to its dedicated clients. Yushi Motors Pakistan started its operations with Crown Holdings in 2017, which now produces more than 350,000 brake shoes set per month based on a single shift. Zinda Control Cables Pakistan Private Limited, a leader in manufacturing control cables for 2- and 3-wheeler automotive vehicles in Pakistan. The plant produces more than 500,000 distinguished cables per month such as clutch cables, brake cables, throttle cables and meter cables on single-shift basis. The quality of inner polymeric linings for cables and hydraulic pressing of end screw crimping makes the end product last longer. Zinda Control Cables started operations with Crown Holdings in 2017. Optimal Automobile Solutions, produces complete chassis and structure of three-wheeler loaders to open market and loader assemblers in Pakistan. The factory is equipped with heavy-grade machinery used to bend and mold the metal sheets to form a heavy-grade floor beds and pillars to complete the structure of three-wheeler loader vehicles along with chain kick covers. Understanding the weather conditions and extreme wear and tear of this class, the metal used is typically seasoned to withstand rust and corrosion, which extends the life of vehicle. Pakistan Private Limited, a magneto assembly and magneto coil production unit operating since 2017 at Crown Holdings. With specialization of particular Japanese standards, 99.99% copper wiring is used, which gathers resistance of up to 550 ohms in magnet coils. To differentiate market demand and product needs, the engineering of magnet coil encapsulates top-quality insulation, varnishing methods and increased number of cores for durable performance and climatic adaptations. Rounding up with engine components, Chengdu Shuangliu Huacheng Seal Pakistan Private Limited molds half and full engine compresses non-asbestos and fiber electrical insulation material gaskets and seals with more than 300,000 sets per month based on a single shift. Crown Sigma is one of Pakistan's finest aluminum die casting material, also known as ADC-12, manufacturer, making pure aluminum ingots with quality composition of finest metal elements to ensure tough metal components. The finished raw material is then tested further to ensure quality standards. Machinery Pakistan Private Limited, one of the industry's most refined name when it comes to precede machining of crankshafts and connecting rods. The company established its operations at Crown Holdings in 2017. The products are designed for 70cc and 125cc motorcycles and is supplied to various brands operating in Pakistan. The companies involved in Crown Holdings Limited operate with daily multiple shifts and serves as an OEM partner with several renowned automotive parts brands in Pakistan, namely Atlas Honda, NJ Auto Industries, Sarah Automobile Industries, Crown Life in Pakistan, Crown Motor Company Limited, DS Motors Razi Group and few more. With stupendous employment opportunities generated at Crown Holdings, and with the aim to become the hub of automotive segment manufacturing institution, together with the support of vendors and consumers, we will become the #1 go-to automotive parts manufacturing hub in Pakistan. Together, we hold the stand of excellence.